In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PDF document directly in Gemini AI in a simple and effective way. This is a great trick if you want to generate a clean document fast, whether it's a proposal, report, outline, or any other written file you need in a polished format. Instead of writing everything manually in a separate app, you can use Gemini to help create the content first, then open it and download it as a PDF in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Google Gemini and log in with your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the Gemini interface where you can start a new prompt. This is the most important part because the quality of the PDF starts with the quality of your prompt. You want to type a clear request that tells Gemini exactly what kind of document you need. For example, you could type something like, "Create a detailed one-page project proposal for a community garden and format it cleanly." The more specific you are, the better the final document will look and read. You can also include details like the tone, length, section headings, or any information you want inside the file. If you want it to look professional, mention that clearly in the prompt. If you want it to be simple, concise, or formal, say that too. Gemini will then generate the content in a document-style layout that you can review before downloading. Once the document is ready, take a moment to scroll through and make sure everything looks correct. Check the wording, structure, and formatting so you know it matches what you asked for. If you need changes, you can refine your prompt and ask Gemini to adjust the content before exporting it. When you're happy with the result, click Open. This step lets you view the generated content in a cleaner document format, which makes it easier to review before saving. After that, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the download icon. That's the final step to save your document as a PDF file onto your device. Depending on your browser or settings, the file may download directly to your Downloads folder, where you can open it any time and share it as needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a PDF document directly in Gemini AI using a simple prompt and the built-in download option. This method is especially useful for students, professionals, creators, and anyone who wants to turn an idea into a neat document quickly. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.